Looking for fun things to do with your kids in Vegas? You've come to the right place. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to uncover the top 10 engaging activities for children in the heart of the entertainment capital, Las Vegas. From thrilling adventures to educational discoveries, Las Vegas offers a myriad of experiences that can turn any family trip into an unforgettable voyage. So grab your virtual travel bags and join us on this journey. Stay tuned as we count down the top 10 fun things to do with your kids in Vegas. Starting with number 10, we have the Adventure Dome. Now, this isn't just any amusement park, folks. It's a 5-acre indoor extravaganza right smack in the heart of Las Vegas. Underneath that massive pink-tinted glass dome, there's a whole world of fun just waiting to be explored. From the Canyon Blaster, the world's only indoor double-loop, double corkscrew roller coaster, to the inverting spinning ride called Chaos, the Adventure Dome is a thrill-seeker's paradise. And it's not just about rides either. There's also an arcade with classic and modern games, mini golf for those who prefer a slower pace, and even a clown show to keep the little ones entertained. Whether you're a fan of adrenaline-pumping roller coasters, or you prefer testing your skills at carnival games, there's something for everyone. So if you're planning a family trip to Vegas, make sure the Adventure Dome is on your must-visit list. The Adventure Dome is a thrilling stop for any family visiting Vegas. Coming in at number 9 is the Discovery Children's Museum. A place where fun meets learning, this museum is a true gem for kids in Vegas. The museum boasts a multitude of interactive exhibits, each one designed to inspire a sense of wonder and curiosity in young minds. Here, children can immerse themselves in a world of creativity, science, and art. They can explore the mysteries of the human body, experiment with the laws of physics, or even step into the shoes of an astronaut. Each exhibit is a unique learning opportunity, ingeniously disguised as play. In the Discovery Children's Museum, education is not just about textbooks and classrooms. It's about touching, seeing, and experiencing the world firsthand. It's about asking questions and seeking answers. It's about sparking that innate thirst for knowledge that every child possesses. This museum is a fantastic place for children to learn while having fun. And isn't that what childhood is all about? Number 8 on our list is Siegfried and Roy's Secret Garden and Dolphin Habitat. Nestled within the Mirage Hotel and Casino, this magical spot is more than just a spectacle. It's a journey into a world of exotic creatures and aquatic wonders. From the majestic white tigers and lions to enchanting leopards, you'll find yourself spellbound by the raw beauty and power of these amazing beasts. But that's not all. The real showstopper here is the dolphin habitat. Imagine being able to watch these intelligent creatures as they play, learn, and interact with one another in a setting that's as close to their natural habitat as possible. It's an experience that will make your heart flutter and your spirit soar. Whether you're watching a dolphin show, exploring the lush gardens, or simply sitting back and soaking in the serene atmosphere, Siegfried and Roy's Secret Garden and Dolphin Habitat is a world of wonder and excitement. This spot offers an unforgettable experience for any animal-loving family. Our number 7 is the Shark Reef Aquarium at Mandalay Bay. Step into a world where the desert sands meet the ocean depths. The Shark Reef Aquarium is a true oasis, home to over 2,000 animals, including 15 species of sharks, golden crocodiles, and a rare Komodo dragon. Immerse yourself in their shipwreck exhibit, where you can experience a diver's view of a sunken shipwreck surrounded by sharks and fish. Or perhaps venture into the touch pool, where you can feel the smooth skin of a stingray gliding beneath your fingertips. There's also an interactive exhibit where you can learn about the various species, their habitats, and conservation efforts. The aquarium is so much more than just an exhibit. It's an educational experience wrapped in an adventure. So pack up your little explorers and dive into a day of undersea exploration. If your kids love undersea creatures, this is a must-visit destination. Number 6 on our list is the High Roller Observation Wheel. Now, if you're looking to combine thrill with breathtaking views, then this is the place to be. The High Roller Observation Wheel is not your average Ferris wheel. Oh no, this is the world's tallest observation wheel, standing at a staggering 550 feet high. As you step into the air-conditioned cabins, you can feel the excitement building. The gentle ascent takes you higher and higher into the sky, revealing a panoramic view of the dazzling Vegas skyline that is nothing short of spectacular. The bright neon lights, towering skyscrapers, and sprawling cityscape will leave you and your little ones in awe. The entire ride lasts about 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to soak in the sights and capture some memorable moments. Whether it's day or night, the High Roller Observation Wheel offers a unique perspective of the city that never sleeps. This is a perfect way to enjoy a bird's-eye view of Vegas. At number 5, we have the Neon Museum. If you're a fan of history and vibrant colors, this place is a must-visit. The Neon Museum is a unique attraction that offers an unforgettable stroll through the iconic Las Vegas signs of yesteryears. Every sign in this museum tells a story. They're not just metal and lights, they're pieces of Las Vegas history that have witnessed countless stories. Imagine these glowing symbols once lit up the city's skyline, beckoning visitors from around the globe. Now they stand proudly in the museum, whispering tales of the city's past. Kids will love the vivid colors and giant signs, while adults can appreciate the nostalgia. It's an outdoor museum, so you can roam around freely, soaking up the retro vibe. Remember, these signs are not just pieces of art, they're the soul of Las Vegas, glowing brightly in the desert night. The Neon Museum offers a colorful journey through Vegas history. Coming in at number 4 is Red Rock Canyon. This gem, tucked away just a stone's throw from the bustling Las Vegas Strip, offers a refreshing change of pace from the city's neon lights and slot machines. The canyon's vibrant red rocks, set against a backdrop of azure skies, paint a picture so mesmerizing, it's hard to believe it's real. Here at Red Rock, Mother Nature puts on a spectacular show, and the best part is, you and your family get front row seats. Experience the thrill of hiking along trails that wind through the heart of the canyon, or take a scenic drive where every turn reveals another breathtaking view. For the more adventurous families, rock climbing offers an adrenaline rush like no other. And don't forget about the picnic areas, perfect for a quiet, relaxing lunch amidst nature's beauty. For families who love the great outdoors, Red Rock Canyon is a must-visit. So pack your hiking boots and sun hats and embark on an adventure of a lifetime. Our number 3 pick is the Excalibur Hotel's Tournament of Kings. Prepare yourself for a journey back in time, where jousting knights, fire-breathing dragons, and a hearty feast await you. It's not just a dinner show, it's an immersive medieval experience, right here in the heart of Vegas. Imagine the excitement on your child's face as they watch the spectacle unfold. Knights clashing in combat, magicians performing astounding feats, and horses prancing around the arena. The air is thick with anticipation, and the energy is infectious. The story is engaging, the performances are top-notch, and the special effects will leave you spellbound. And let's not forget about the feast. Hearty, delicious, and eaten in true medieval style, with your hands, because who needs utensils when you're having this much fun? Whether you're a kid or a kid at heart, the Tournament of Kings is guaranteed to captivate and entertain you. This dinner show offers a unique medieval experience for the whole family. Number 2 on our list is the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. Picture this, a world where nature intertwines with artistry, where every step you take reveals a new spectacle of floral elegance. This is what the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens offers. It's not just a garden, it's a living canvas of seasonal beauty. 5 times a year, the talented horticulturalists and designers who meticulously craft this experience transform this 14,000 square foot floral playground into a showcase of distinctive sights and colors of spring, summer, fall, and winter, along with a special display for Chinese New Year. From the gazebos, bridges, ponds, and water features thoughtfully placed throughout the garden, it's clear that this is a place where creativity meets nature. Kids can marvel at the towering displays, the vibrant blooms, and the whimsical topiaries that spark the imagination. This place offers a serene, beautiful escape from the hustle and bustle of Vegas. And finally, our number 1 pick is Cirque du Soleil. Immerse in an enchanting world where fantasy meets reality and ordinary turns extraordinary. The magic of Cirque du Soleil is a feast for the senses, a tapestry woven with awe-inspiring performances that defy the laws of gravity. Imagine the thrill of acrobats twirling overhead, their bodies spinning in perfect harmony as they perform breathtaking feats. Picture the wonder of contortionists bending in unimaginable ways, their flexibility a testament to the limits the human body can push. Feel the anticipation build as jugglers toss objects with pinpoint precision, their dexterity a mesmerizing spectacle. Every Cirque du Soleil show is a symphony of colors, sounds, and emotions that captivate both the young and the young at heart. It's more than just a show, it's a journey into a fantastical world that leaves audiences spellbound. A Cirque du Soleil show is an unforgettable experience that your family will treasure. And there you have it, folks, 10 exhilarating adventures to embark on with your young ones in the city that never sleeps. From the roller coasters of the Adventure Dome to the breathtaking performances of Cirque du Soleil, Vegas truly has something for everyone. It's a playground that caters to all ages, ensuring that your family trip is nothing short of spectacular. So what are you waiting for? Let Vegas be your next family destination. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy travels.